guys? How you doing today? Welcome to another episode of JDTCo. Real quick, I hit the counter ever so gently, but currently there's no dogs underneath here. They're currently in a heated battle in front of the door. Okay? Eventually they will come back and I'll put them on air because I know you guys would like to see the dogs. I like to show the dogs. Show you the progression. Okay, I got a lot of stuff to talk about today, but first we're going to get right into it with don't be this kind of person. Okay? Now, here at JDTCo, we send a lot of packages, and we also get mail packages in, right, Nick?
Yes.
So, I mean, like, we get returns, we get wrong addresses, stuff like that. So I got this little package, and I'm like, interesting, like, what is this thing? It's tiny. I don't think we sell anything this small, really, do we?
I mean, I'm sure we have something, but...
Normally, if we get a return, they put it in the same package that we sent it to them in, and, you know, they mail it back. So, Karen Flores from Miami, Florida, sent this to us. So I opened it up, and this was inside. USB, old school iPhone, right?
Yes.
I'm like, why did my son buy this? Like, what do we have a million of these laying around. So I showed it to him, he was like, I didn't buy it. So this person bought a Milwaukee boot for us, which is a great idea. We're going to cover that today too. And they returned the boot, but put this in the package. My friend, if you're that hard up for a boot and you need one that bad, please reach out to us and I will give you one for free. There's no need to play this charade, committing fraud. And they used a pre-label on there too. So that's fraud. You used the government mail for fraud. That's got to be illegal, right?
Yeah, somewhere.
And we did put a dispute in, obviously, but it's just like. That's how people are out there. This was a TikTok person, I believe, right?
Yes.
TikTok is the bottom-feeding section of the world. And I know they didn't take it down. I wish they did. But we open all this stuff with a camera when it's returned. So if you want to play something like that, we have a way to do that. And this person will be paying for the boot.
At least send us something, like, worth more.
They're going to pay for the boot, and thank you for the free cord. It's a little short, though.
Yeah, I don't know.
I mean, you know. Karen Flores, Miami, Florida. You're a dirtbag. Did I say that?
Yeah, why not?
All right. Another thing, I'm gonna reveal in a minute, but check this out, Nick. Watch. Is that smooth?
That's nice.
I'm doing it for my new chair. I don't even like this company, but Hey, let me show you the chair. Okay, it's a Viper chair. You see them all over the internet all the time, and it's one of those companies that wag the dog. And I think they're overpriced. I think they're expensive, way too expensive. But we posted them. We got about a very good price. We got in trouble for posting too cheap.
Yeah.
Right? And listen, if I never sell another Viper chair, I can care less. One of our customers, very good customer, wanted a chair, so we brought it in for him, and I assembled it for him. And it's actually pretty nice. But
I think you might need to order another one for him. You're gonna wear that thing out.
I'm gonna order a new one. I'm gonna order one for my. I like it, but if you want one, buy it from us. It's cheaper. And it's a nice chair, but if you're a mechanic, I don't think I think it's for a guy who's going to use it in his man cave, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Nick, can I start selling some tools now?
Yes.
I flamed Karen Flores. Karen Flores from Miami. You're a dirtbag. I said that, right?
Yes.
Let's talk tools. Right. We did a couple deals. We have a lot of 5.0 batteries, right?
Yes.
A lot. So we're doing a 2-pack for $160, and you get a free pair of gloves. Either these or these, but these are worth $20, $25, and are going to be free if you buy a battery 2-pack. This is the 5.0 M12. This is the battery that's going to make all your tools sing, right?
Yeah.
When Torque Test Channel does their testing, they use this battery. You want all your ugly duggers? You need a 5.0 battery, and not one that you bought on a TikTok shop or Amazon or eBay, and they send you a fake one. This is a real, genuine Milwaukee battery. I hate fake batteries, Nick, don't you?
Yeah, it's annoying.
It's like, well, mine's a 17.0. Says who? Because they put the decal on it? This is a 5.0 from Milwaukee. Jake break. Okay. And listen, while I got your attention talking about Milwaukee, we sell boots for all Milwaukee tools, just about. and they come in different colors. You can keep your tools separated, organized, and you'll know which one's yours if you work in a shop with guys with a bunch of these. And they're $29.95 for these.
Yes.
And people might, and listen, first of all, it's half the price if you want a Milwaukee one. It's like $55 for a Milwaukee boot. But the reason why you should put a boot on your tool is you're protecting your investment. You're going to protect it from getting banged up. But check this out. Listen, my route guys are a special breed. Nick, true story when it comes to warranty tools?
Yes.
Special breed. This is an Impact. This is the new body styles. This has to be a
Year old.
They're not
2
that old,
years
right?
max.
And this is what it looks like. Okay? Not only did it, instead of marking it, he ground into it with a cutoff tool. You see that?
I do.
The X? Okay? That way you can put two of them actually. You got one here and one here. And he hands it to me, and his name is Santos. And I said, dude, I go, yeah, I'm going to try to get this done for you. I said, but at the end of the day, your serial number's gone. And Milwaukee does not like when your serial number's gone, right, Nick?
Yeah.
They don't know when it was made. Now, with a gun like this was a newer model, so it can't be out of warranty time-wise. But it's always a good idea to protect your serial number. And if you use one of these boots, it'll protect your serial number like the day it left the factory, allegedly, right?
Yeah.
So guys, buy an Impact. If you buy an Impact, buy a boot. We had a guy yesterday who bought a kit, right, Nick?
Yeah.
He bought a Milwaukee kit with a 1/2-inch 3/8. And what did he buy, Nick?
The boot.
How many boots?
Just the one for the 1/2 inch.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe the 3/8 is a showpiece.
I almost want to call him and ask him. If you're watching this video and you bought the Impact kit yesterday, and you only bought one boot, tell us why. Leave in the comments below what you think he bought one boot for. I was almost going to throw a second one in. Okay, buy a boot, protect your investment. And the only place in the world you can get purple, green, black, or red boots is where, Nick?
JDTCo.
Okay.
Made in USA.
Proudly made where?
I don't know where they're made anymore.
Proudly made where?
USA.
USA.
Oh. I thought you were talking about what state.
Yeah, well, they were Oregon for the longest time. Now they moved the factory to
Somewhere else.
somewhere else. But it's still the USA. Minnesota, Massachusetts, I don't know, somewhere. Starts with that, right? We also have battery boots, and this will protect your battery. Use a battery strap too. Why not? You buy a car, you put floor mats in it, right?
Yeah.
You buy a hitch, you put a hitch cover in it. You have an expensive exotic sports car, you put you wrap it, clear bra, right? Speaking of that, I just got my car back from the transporter. It was in Miami, not by the florist chick, but my car is filthy. I got sand on my floor mats, Nick.
That's disgusting.
I know, but I was on Daytona on the beach. I did not want to go on the beach, but I was on the beach. I got sand on my floor mats. The car's going for full detail. Okay, guys. Oh yeah, check it out. We talked about this deal. This is $160. We also did a Milwaukee starter kit. Dual charger, 5.0 battery, 5.0 M18 battery. How much is this?
$209.95.
$209.95. If you buy this, any Milwaukee tool you buy, you will have a battery and a charger for it. Makes sense, right? So you
Good
buy
idea.
a kit, you want to bring it home, bring a charger home, an extra battery, you can do it, right?
Yeah.
Guys, Power Pro prices are going through the roof. We still have a few black left. I think it's the only color we have left is black.
We have a handful of the flame.
And flame. You want flame, you want black. In stock, $169.95. This is the full kit with the battery, plug, cigarette lighter, adapter, and clip-on battery one, and extension cable. Right?
Yes.
I think this is our number one Topdon selling tool.
Easily.
Easily, right? What this is a Top Scan Pro. Plugs into your OBD2 port and connects to your phone via Bluetooth. And it's bi-directional, and we sell a ton of these. And yes, they'll put your parking brake back in. Everybody always asks that, right?
Yes.
And this is our number one seller. Walk in the store. Do you think we sell more of these or MX900s? That's a tough one.
In store, probably the 900.
overall.
Yeah.
This or 900.
I don't think we sold a lot of those in store. It's more online.
No, I'm talking about online.
Oh,
Total.
probably those.
Okay. But 900 walk-in is still the king. I can't even show what we sold out of. Okay. What's his name?
That is the Artie Diag HD.
You got a truck, big truck. Put this in there. You'll be able to scan your truck for any codes while you're on the road and do a forced regen. How many times do you need to do that? I have a Freightliner and we have issues all the time. Actually, my trucks are pretty good. I can't complain. But if you have a truck, you work on trucks, you need this. How much is this?
$529.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
That sounds awful cheap.
Artie Diag HD. $529.
That's a deal. It's available on an app or website. This one has been a big seller too, right? I was out at SEMA. I'm going to do a whole show on SEMA because SEMA is a joke. I'm going to tell you why SEMA is a joke. I go to SEMA every year, and I do make some good connections. But there's people you talk to out there, and they're like, yeah, we'll talk. We'll set you up. We got you. No problem. I'll email you when you get back. And what do you get, Nick? Nothing. And that's how we had the falling out with Koken, right?
Yeah.
Same thing with Koken. That's why Koken hates us, because I called them out live on a show, on a YouTube channel, a YouTube video, about how Koken dropped the ball for 2 years. And they got really mad. And I don't care. Wait till next week when I do my video on SEMA. Watch. I don't care. If you're that bad of a business person and you can't return an email, you deserve to get flamed. Nick, is that the truth?
Or a phone call, yeah.
Something.
Send a rep in.
And it's funny, we had a customer coming yesterday, we met him at SEMA, and he came into the store, and he did the complete opposite of everybody else. He follows through, does what he said he's going to do, and I'm not going to say, I shouldn't say the company, right?
No.
But I'll say his name, Marty, right?
Yeah, I mean, that's what he's supposed to do. Come in,
He's
check
a rep,
up.
he's a rep for a bunch of big manufacturers that we deal with, and he came in here, and he followed up. He is a true gentleman in the business. Right?
Yes.
He'll never watch this, but I'm just telling you, he's that good of a guy. Okay. And they've seen this at SEMA. This is the one for motorcycles. Full kit. Every adapter's in here. And how much is this?
$549.
If you work on motorcycles, you work on side by sides, snowmobiles, all that stuff, you need one of these. And like I said, every adapter's in here. It's insane. I'm not a big fan of NOCO. They make a good product, right? They do.
Yeah.
But as a company, I'm not a big fan of them. But this one here is probably a pretty close exact copy of the NOCO, correct?
Yeah.
I'm sure they're leaving the same factory.
Yeah. Possible.
Allegedly.
It's possible.
And it's a lot cheaper. This is the 3000 peak amp one. And how much is this, Nick?
$145.
$145, guys. Price of NOCO one, I guarantee it's more. A lot more. Okay. Sorry for moving fast. This is probably my favorite item from Topdon. Okay? This is a pass-through. These have been out for years. And the thing with pass-throughs is what, Nick? Do you know?
Expensive.
They're expensive. If you bought the Autel one, it's like $1,500, right?
About that.
Yeah, it is. This one here is a work of art, and I have to show this one. I think this is really sexy. I'm sorry. Sorry, guys, but look at the case. It's beautiful. They did a really, really nice job with this one. That's it. Now you have a pass-through that'll fit in the palm of your hand. Okay? This thing is amazing. How much is it?
$224.
$224. That's $1,200 less than Autel. You can take your family on vacation for that. Don't go to Miami. Miami's expensive. But that's a deal. Okay. This is the Topdon. This is compatible with the Autel MX900, correct?
I would think so.
But
Looks like it.
Know what this one is? That one isn't?
Bluetooth.
This is Bluetooth. This is going to be bi-directional. It's a great do-it-yourself scanner. It's a great scanner for the shop. If you have a scanner like this, instead of dragging this out, 75-85% of the time, this is all you're going to need. And how much is this?
$459.
$459. But guys, the Mac Daddy scanner right here is the Phoenix Max. This thing is insane. I should open it up. What do you think? Nick says no.
Seems like a lot of work.
What's the first question people are going to ask you? Does it come with what?
A scope.
Does it come with a scope? Yes, it comes with the scope module. We have a great deal on this right now. This one here has 2 years of free updates and 1 year of heavy-duty truck software built in, correct?
Yes.
And how much is this, Nick?
That setup is $32.95.
$32.95. You're going to scan any car, any truck that comes in the shop, and you have a scope. 2 years, free updates. If you bought an auto scanner, an Ultra, 2 years of free updates would be $3,200. $16.95 times 2, $32.95, right?
Yeah.
So for the price of 2 updates, you're going to get a scanner, a scope, heavy-duty software, and 2 years of free updates. That is crazy. But the thing with Topdon is Topdon and Autel were all under the same. At one point, they were buddies, right? We'll leave
Possible.
it at that. So when Topdon started their company, their platform was, we're going to sell as good a tool as Autel. So Autel, in my opinion, is fantastic. We sell tons of them, but we're always going to give you one extra feature for less money. And what they did is car, heavy duty, 2 years free software for a lot less money. That's insane. Okay, guys, we're gonna fast forward this because it's gonna take a little time to get this open. I'm gonna show it to you to make sure you see how sweet and sexy this thing is.
Really an advanced packaging.
Yeah. Whoa. You heard that?
Gentle.
We'll finish that later. Where's Joe? Get Joe! Joe, put that up there. Get Joe
The
back
camera's
here.
dying, so
Oh, sorry. Okay.
I guess it decided not to
What's going
charge.
on here? Just an ordinary Friday. Guys, they did a really nice job with this one. Okay? Docking station, scanner, every adapter you will ever need. This thing's nice. You probably want space on this thing. Okay?
I think there's another little tablet in there too.
In here? No.
No?
I think there's another. There's your patch strip.
Yeah.
Okay? This thing is a work of art. $32.95 in stock. Send it. That deal's not going to last forever. We had to buy a bunch of them. You see these boxes over here? You see them? Boom, boom, boom. We had to buy a bunch of them. They take up a lot of room. So if you want one, get it now. Guys, no dogs today.
They're busy.
This was probably the worst video I've ever done in my life. But like we always say, come for the price, stay for the show. Peace.